Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best greenhouses for backyards that are available on the market for their true quality. If you're looking to extend your growing season or create the perfect environment for your plants, these greenhouses are worth considering. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Ohuhu Greenhouse for Outdoors. If you're looking for a compact, portable greenhouse that's great for small spaces, this might be the one for you. It offers a walk-in design with 3 tiers and 4 shelves, giving you enough room to organize your plants, seed trays, or even small planters. The zippered roll-up door and 2 mesh side windows ensure that your plants get proper ventilation while allowing you to control the temperature and airflow. In terms of design and build quality, the Ohuhu greenhouse is constructed with heavy-duty, rust-resistant tubes and a durable polyethylene PE cover. While the overall structure is lightweight at just under 15 pounds, it has an 18-pound weight capacity per shelf, making it stable enough for lighter gardening needs. Assembly is tool-free and straightforward, which is a huge plus for beginners or those who want a no-fuss setup. However, this greenhouse may not hold up well in extreme weather conditions, so it's best suited for patios, balconies, or other sheltered areas. It's an excellent choice for starting seedlings or growing flowers, but it might not be ideal for larger or heavier pots. Overall, the Ohuhu greenhouse is perfect for those with limited space who want to grow a variety of plants without breaking the bank. Pros include its portability and ease of assembly, while cons include its limited weight capacity and lower weather resistance. Coming in at number 4 is the Green Grow Greenhouse, a compact yet highly durable option for plant enthusiasts. Measuring 28 by 57 by 76 inches, this greenhouse is ideal for smaller backyards or patios. It features 3 tiers and 4 shelves, providing ample space for up to 12 plant pots. The zippered roll-up door and screened windows allow you to regulate temperature and airflow, creating an optimal environment for your plants to thrive year-round. This model stands out for its thick polyethylene PE cover, which is designed to resist winds of up to 45 miles per hour and block harmful UV rays. The frame is sturdy, with 16mm thick rust-resistant steel tubes and reinforced connectors, ensuring that the structure remains stable even in moderately challenging weather conditions. At just over 15 pounds, it's lightweight enough for easy relocation but durable enough to be a long-term solution for your gardening needs. While its compact size is a bonus for smaller spaces, the limited shelf capacity may not be ideal for those with larger plant collections. Additionally, it lacks some of the advanced features found in larger greenhouses. That said, it's an excellent choice for beginners or anyone looking to protect their plants from pests, cold, and excessive moisture. Pros include its weather-resistant build and compact design, while cons include its smaller capacity and limited versatility for larger gardening setups. Our number 3 pick is the Quick Tent Greenhouse for Outdoors, a versatile and portable option for gardeners of all skill levels. This mini walk-in greenhouse features 3 tiers and 8 shelves, providing plenty of space for organizing pots, seed trays, and planters. Its standout feature is the transparent PVC cover, which is 100% waterproof and UV protected. This allows for maximum sunlight penetration while keeping the interior warm, making it a great option for extending the growing season. The Quick Tent Greenhouse is built with an alloy steel frame and comes with accessories like cable ties, stakes, and ropes to enhance stability. The dual roll-up doors and large screen windows create excellent ventilation, which is especially useful on hot days. One of the best aspects of this greenhouse is its portability. You can easily disassemble and relocate it as needed, making it a fantastic choice for those who want flexibility in their gardening setup. However, while the PVC cover is durable and great for sunlight, it may not be as weather-resistant as the polyethylene covers found in other models. It's better suited for areas with mild weather conditions. Overall, the Quick Tent Greenhouse offers a great balance of affordability, space, and portability. Pros include its transparent cover and generous shelving, while cons include its limited weather resistance. At number 2, we have the Green Grow Greenhouse, a durable and spacious option for serious gardeners. This model measures 57 by 57 by 76 inches and features 3 tiers and 8 shelves, offering ample room for up to 24 plant pots. The thick polyethylene PE cover is not only waterproof, but also UV protected and engineered to withstand winds of up to 45 miles per hour. This ensures that your plants remain safe and healthy even in challenging weather conditions. The frame is built with 16mm thick, rust-resistant steel tubes and includes 4 ropes and ground stakes for added stability. Assembly is a breeze, requiring no tools, and its detachable design makes it easy to relocate. The zippered roll-up door and screened windows provide excellent ventilation and allow you to regulate temperature and humidity, creating the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. One downside is its larger footprint, which may not be suitable for smaller spaces. Additionally, while the shelves are sturdy, they may not support very heavy pots. That said, this greenhouse is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to grow a variety of plants year-round. Pros include its robust build and spacious design, while cons include its bulkier size and slightly higher weight. Finally, at number 1, we have the Link Life Walk-in Greenhouse for Outdoor, the ultimate choice for backyard gardening. This model combines industrial-grade durability with a user-friendly design, making it suitable for both beginners and seasoned gardeners. With dimensions of 57 by 29 by 77 inches, it offers a spacious walk-in design and 3 tiers of shelving, making it ideal for organizing a variety of plants. The reinforced polyethylene cover is UV-resistant, waterproof, and can handle extreme weather conditions, including winds up to 45 miles per hour and heavy snow. What sets the Link Life Greenhouse apart is its superior build quality. The frame is made of 16mm thick, rust-resistant steel tubes, and the 12 adjustable galvanized shelves can hold up to 50 pounds each. The dual ventilation system, featuring zippered roll-up doors and mesh windows, allows precise control over temperature and humidity, ensuring your plants get the best care possible. The non-toxic materials and reinforced edges add to its overall durability and eco-friendliness. While this greenhouse comes at a higher price point, its premium features and heavy-duty construction make it a worthwhile investment for any gardener. It's perfect for those who want a reliable, all-weather solution for growing plants year-round. Pros include its industrial-grade strength, ample shelving, and excellent weather resistance, while cons are its higher cost and more involved assembly process. Overall, the Link Life Greenhouse takes the top spot for its unbeatable combination of durability, functionality, and design. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy gardening.